the studio in the barn to make that record. Didn't end up successfully making it there. It's a long story, but this song is about a number of things: control, but also at the time I was trying to learn Pro Tools, and I had no business doing Pro Tools. This is like 2001, and I was getting so frustrated sitting there with the manual and just trying to learn how to record myself. And then I would just go out for walks in these hills of Western Illinois and be like, oh, I can finally see. Well, it was starting to cloud the way I saw everything. The technology was, it's the whole zeros and ones. Alright, this song, this is the Masterfade. Oh. Well, you sure did look like you were having fun. With that heavy metal gaze, you gotta measure that in tons. And when you look up at the sky, all you see are zeros, and all you see are zeros and ones. Took my hand and led me down towards your Papillon parade. Let the kittens lick our hair and drink our chocolate lemonade. It's not that I just didn't care, I must admit I was afraid. 'Cause all the while my fingers resting gently on the Masterfade. Masterfade, I could have played along. Masterfade, I could have played Marshall, but it just takes too long, and I just can't remember which way the east wind blows. Doesn't matter, we're all matter. What's the matter? What's the matter if we matter when we're done? When the sky's full of zeros and ones. Saw you standing all alone in the electrostatic ring. Thought at last I'd found a situation you can't explain with GPS. You know it's all just a matter of degrees. Your happiness won't find you underneath that canopy of trees. And if the green grass is 6, the soybeans are 7, June bugs are 8, the weeds and thistles are 11. The ones just hold the place, all the zeros and make a smiley face when they come floating down from the heavens. Took my hand and led me down towards your keep your dog away.
The kittens.
Kids look our hair, like our chocolate lemonade. And I was afraid, I got my hair up. 'Cause all the while your fingers resting gently on the Masterfade. Masterfade, I could have played along. Masterfade, I could have played Marshall, but it just takes too long. And I just can't remember which way the east wind blows. When you're lying on the ground, staring up at an inverted compass on your cry. Took my hand and led me down towards your Papillon parade. Let the kittens lick our hair and drink our chocolate lemonade. but I just didn't care. I must admit I was a